Hello. What is this? Vegetarian Mish Mash. All these put together are gonna taste delicious. You can add some whatever you want, but this is kind of what I do. Baby spinach, quinoa or quinoa, as long as it's not expired, right? Doesn't matter how you say it. Mushrooms of any kind, then onions, garlic to fend off the vampires. I had some bell pepper and tomatoes. Deliciosos. You should mix the... No, don't mix those yet. Okay, so put separate in a bowl the quinoa to boil. And in the meantime, you're gonna saute the onion and then add the bell peppers, but I was in a hurry. Then all kinds of tomatoes. Yeah, I had some cherry tomatoes. Put them all in there. You can add all kinds of spices to taste. And cabbage. I added cabbage. Okay. I added cabbage. It gives an extra and spinach. Make it strong. One you eat, one you put in there. And then you'll give it a boil. Let them all get together and get to know each other. And then you add the quinoa. You can drain it. You should. And yeah, don't worry about sizes. Just eye everything and go by ear and eye everything. So that's how we do it. Mushrooms should not have too much heat, but you gotta keep. And that looks like somebody's shoulder got taken off and put in there. That was tomato paste. Mix them all together, and there you have it. That's vegetarian Mish Mash. And you can add meat, whatever kind you want, just cook it proper. Okay, bye.